How does powerful Magento email marketing help increase conversions? Today, we explore how to engage customers and boost your sales effectively. Let's dive right in. Email marketing in Magento leverages precise targeting and automation. It's a cost-effective way to strengthen customer relationships and drive conversions. First, understand the importance of segmentation. It means categorizing your email list for targeted communication. It's about sending the right offers to the right people. Defining clear goals is your next step. Whether it's higher open rates or more clicks, set specific objectives for your Magento email campaigns. List automation can save you time. Set up welcome emails and newsletters automatically with Magento's email templates. More traffic from email campaigns means your Magento site must be ready. Ensure it's secure and can handle an influx of visitors without hiccups. Tailor your campaigns for every occasion. These targeted efforts can boost sales and brand recall from holidays to anniversaries. Don't overwhelm your subscribers. Keep your emails regular, but only a few times. Magento 2 extensions can send follow-up and abandoned cart emails, helping you connect with customers and recover sales. Lastly, marketing automation tools are your ally. They handle different types of emails, from transactional to promotional, optimizing your outreach. Upgrade your Magento version and server for peak performance and ensure your emails hit the mark quickly and efficiently. These steps, from segmentation to server optimization, are key to mastering email marketing in Magento. Ready to increase engagement and drive sales? Apply these strategies and watch your business grow. Remember to hit the subscribe button for more Magento insights.